the Lakeland Hurricanes, there's a live breeze into the Hurricanes on that beautiful the end third quarter of play.
Where they went backwards?
Hey, Beast! Just man, wrap up, man. Man, stop walking. Talk already running, man. Look at this traffic. Hey, Rev, how the clock running like that? Still not on the switch. 25.
What you doing? Get up.
Hey, let's go, Storm. They ain't got done. Let's go.
What if we make let it go out of bounds? Let's go, Storm. They ain't ready for y'all. Yeah, 54 been holding this whole time.
Get out of the way, bro. Get out of the way, bro. You're in the way, bro.
Number 54 been holding the whole time.
Thank you. You don't even get sweet off on us. Game on YouTube.
Who got the water bottle? It's water. They got water. Y'all ready for that?
Let's go, Storm. Jason, get in there. Hey, Chris, they ain't gonna throw it to him, man. He just a do for him. Yeah, they already got Sam on the line.
Let's go, Storm. They ain't ready for y'all, baby. They ain't going nowhere.
Hey, they got Sam on the
Up the middle for a couple of yards. Gonna bring up third down.
Coach, Cody, what are you doing?
They got a double tight. They got one wide.
I quit.
They got one wide. They got a double tight.
I quit.
Tighten up and throw me back in the Hey, get that ball back. Hey, let me go get the ball back. They got three shoot on come out.
I want these water boys on the sideline to make sure.
8 men on the line. Shoot on come out. Oh my God. Hey, what we got?
All right. Come on, baby.
Clap that up, y'all, boys.
Penalty goes against the Hurricanes. That'll be a hold.
They having a Wu-Tang contest in the end zone.
What?
Yeah. Coach Laura.
What in the heck? They were like killing me. Hey. Must be how Lake Gibson does it. Or the Hurricanes.
Yeah, but he gets the foul from the spot of the ball was at.
What's this, like 6 penalties on him?
Hey, they broke the huddle with 12, Glenn.
Oh, okay. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Cole.
See this man?
That
should have been like 3 picks.
Brings up fourth down.
No, did you see him trying to rub to pick up the flag? Then we was going to talk to him. Hey, bro. This man better put him in. Hey, hold on, man. No, hit him on the spot. I saw it. No, this man broke the huddle with 12 players and that man said pick up the flag. They still ain't not putting you in.
But he told that man to pick up the flag.
What did they pick up the flag? They were coming with all to him like this. Okay. Don't make a business out here. Okay. Now, Russell, no picking no flag. I'm telling you, man.
Ask Glenn about a grievance. High ball.
Up a quick slant over the outstretched arms. And that will be a turnover on downs and brings up a first down for the Lakeland Storm.
Hello.